Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about some foods that can help to strengthen your immune system. You may already know that your immune system is responsible for fighting off infections and illnesses, but did you know that there are certain foods that can give it a little extra boost? First up, we have citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and limes. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C can help to boost the production of white blood cells, which are the cells that help to fight off infections. Next, we have berries. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are high in antioxidants, which can help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. They also have a wealth of vitamin C, and have anti-inflammatory properties which are beneficial for the immune system. Another great food to boost your immune system is garlic. Garlic contains compounds that can help to fight off bacteria and viruses. Eating garlic regularly can help to increase the number of immune cells in your body, making it easier for your immune system to fight off infections. Another key food group to strengthen your immune system is leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, broccoli are packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, as well as a variety of minerals and antioxidants, all of which can help to keep your immune system strong and healthy. Lastly, don't forget about nuts and seeds like almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, etc. They are high in zinc, vitamin E, and healthy fats, which are all essential for a healthy immune system. In conclusion, these foods are not a magic potion for immunity, but it definitely can give an added boost to your immunity when combined with regular exercise, sleep, and reducing stress. So, be sure to include them in your diet, and take care of your overall health to boost your immune system and stay healthy. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit the like button, and let me know in the comments what other topics you would like to see me cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.